Today we are going to make potato salad. Just simple potato salad.
She's teaching me because I've never made it before.
During family gatherings and things like that, we all have certain things we fix. So Patsy's never had to make the potato salad. I've always done it. So here we go. So Patsy is going to mash my boiled potatoes. So what we have is diced up one of the chunks, all approximately the same size. We used 4 medium-sized potatoes, and they boiled for about 15-20 minutes just until they're soft enough.
You just stick a fork in it to see if it's soft enough.
And I like this little potato masher because it makes my job so much faster. So you're just going to mash those up. And then we're going to put them in this bowl here. Look, done already.
That was quick.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, let me swap. Now just put them in this bowl.
And right now they're a little dry.
And you drain them. I don't know if I mentioned that. You drain them after you boil them. Drain them pretty quick. Don't let them sit in the hot water or your potatoes will be hot. You don't want that. Okay, are you ready?
I guess.
Okay, so I've got a couple of eggs here. Some people don't put eggs, but I do. These 10-minute boiled eggs. So now normally what I do, I'm gonna chop them up. Now the second one, I'll show you what I'm gonna do to it. Should have brought the masher over here.
The masher.
Okay, so
The one I used in here?
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put this in there. Now we're gonna do this one too.
Mm-hmm.
But I like to shave off a couple of pieces like this. So I slice this one. So I'll have a couple of the little rings. And you're gonna pop the yellows in there. Try not to break them, but as you can see, one of them broke. And then we'll chop this one up. I just think these are cute on the top. You don't have to do that.
That's a little thicker.
Well, it won't be in a minute. Okay, so stir that in. Now, where did my towel go? Okay, so now we're going to put we're going to start with about 2 tablespoons of mayo. That's somewhere approximately. Stir that, don't pat it.
Yes, ma'am.
Always shake your mustard up or you'll get that little watery.
I know it'll come out with water in the front.
And I'm going to put somewhere about 2 tablespoons. Tablespoon and a half, somewhere around there.
Oh, that's a lot of mustard.
You'll be all right. Okay, now I've got about I've got a tablespoon of chopped pickles.
Okay.
Okay, sprinkle those in.
Which is okay if you like to bite into a pickle.
Okay, now I also have got a lot of onion chopped. So I'm only going to put, you don't have to have the onion. A lot of people don't like onion.
Oh, we love onions.
So we're going to put a couple of teaspoons of onions in there, just chopped fine. And then we're going to do, that's not liquidy enough, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix that.
Okay.
So we're going to do some salt. Just a couple of pinches of salt. I'm sorry I had pickle juice out and somebody moved it on me. I don't know who that would be.
I don't know who that would be.
So, because a couple of tablespoons of pickles don't give it that real pickly taste. And you want a little bit, you can use pickle juice. So I'm going to go ahead and do a tablespoon. Go ahead and stir that. We're going to go one more time. So we got 2 tablespoons of pickle juice.
Okay, now it's starting to thin up just a little bit.
And so that's a total of 3 tablespoons of mayo, 2 tablespoons of mustard, a couple of pickles, and about 2 or 3 tablespoons of pickle juice, and a couple of pinches of salt.
No pepper?
Oh, and the onion. I don't put pepper in mine.
Okay.
Are you struggling?
Yes. You give me all the hard work and I'm getting tired.
Well, I probably should have put it in a little bit bigger bowl. Okay, so let's see what we have. I always cook to taste. Excellent. Hang on.
Now, I'll tell you if it's excellent or not. You know how I am with my potato salad.
She's very picky. That's good.
Very good.
And you made that.
Very
Or
good.
We made it, but
That's good.
okay. So, and that is how you make potato salad. So,
Thank
if
y'all
you
for
have a-
watching.
yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.